Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick update on American Bill Money. For those that don't know, I've been in this program since May of 2017, earning a full-time income with American Bill Money. They have been around since 2003. It's a postcard marketing program. And a lot of people ask me some questions that I want to touch on after, of course, I show payment proof. But this is a real business. You become an affiliate. You pay a $125 membership. It allows you to earn unlimited $75 commissions with a one-up compensation plan. And it's residual. I love residual because we all have bills that we get on a monthly basis, and it's nothing like it to have an income that comes in for those bills, okay? Residual means basically doing something one time and getting paid over and over and over again for doing that one thing one time, and that's what I love about it. American Bill Money has a A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and they've been around since 2003. There's nothing more to say. Paying out every single week, like clockwork. I receive checks in the mail, and I'm going to show you a check that I received for last week in the amount of $750. That's my name. This is a weekly payment that I receive from American Bill Money for the people that have signed up with American Bill Money that came in under me. What I do is I show people how to market this opportunity online and offline, because you can do both. If you don't want to do online, you can just do offline and order your postcards. And as people sign up, you will receive payments. Here's a payment I received for June 1st in the amount of $675. There's my name. And then I'm going to show you the payments I received in May. I received a check for $225. That's for May 25th. And I received a payment on May 18th in the amount of, that's $1,500 from American Bill Money. And I got a payment on May 11th for $450. And May 4th, I received a payment for $825. So there you go. Is this a real company? Yes. Do they pay out? Yes. Is it a legit company? Yes. What you do is you receive leads for people that are interested in a home-based business opportunity. You take those leads, you put them on your postcards that you receive in bulk, and you put them in the mail. As people get the information and respond and sign up, you get paid $75 for each person. You can also create a funnel, have a capture page like I do, and promote this opportunity online. Both ways work. One is just a little bit faster than the other. But of course, when people sign up, I go through the steps on how it works, what to do, and what to expect, how quickly you can start earning, and it's all based upon you. I don't know your work ethics. I don't know how committed you are to the process, but for those who are consistent and are pumping enough leads into their funnel or putting out enough postcards will receive results, okay? And that's basically all I can say about it. I love the opportunity. It's very easy to earn with, and I'm sharing this opportunity with others because I feel that it's a great way to start an online business. This was one of my first work-at-home opportunities where I knew I was going to be able to generate a full-time income. And without American Bill Money, I would have never had the confidence, the knowledge, or the determination to start a home-based business. This is one of my first breakthroughs online. So I'm here sharing that with others. If you want more information, the information will be in the description below. And if you want to reach out to me to get signed up, that information is also available. So I wanted to say thank you for watching my video. I hope I've inspired someone to start a home-based business, and I will speak to you again tomorrow. So have a great night. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.